Hi guys, I'm Jesse at strobepro.com, and today I'm going to be showing you this little guy. It is the Strobepro Magic Arm. So what is so magic about a magic arm? Well, really what it allows you to do is get your modifier or your light into really difficult positions quickly and easily. So what this thing does is when I loosen the knob, it loosens a number of things. So it loosens the main joint over here, but it also loosens the spigots, which are both on ball mounts here, and allows you to position them wherever you want. So the whole thing comes loose and you can kind of maneuver your modifier exactly where you want it to be. So I'm going to set this up on a stand and show you exactly how to do that now. So I've got a 10-foot auto air stand here, and I've taken out the spigot that comes with that stand. Reason is because you have a spigot built into the magic arm already. Nice thing about that spigot is it does have a flat side, which prevents any kind of spinning. So the flat side always lines up against the screw, and then it won't allow it to twist. Now you've also got a couple different features on the bottom here, which is a 1/4 inch female and a 3/8 female if you need to stack any other pieces together that go with that. We're not going to do that right now, so I'm just going to line up the flat side spigot. I'm going to drop it in there, tighten it down on my stand, and then what I can do is loosen this guy off and position that wherever I need to. So we'll lock it here for right now, and we're going to put a beauty dish on there to show you how easy it is to move around. So I've positioned the spigot facing up just to make this a little bit easier. Here I've got a 25-inch beauty dish attached to the speedlight bracket, which I'm going to use. But you would do it the same way if you're putting a strobe or anything on there as well. I would find that flat side, which is right here, line up the flat edge to that, drop it in, and then tighten it down. It's locked and ready. Now I can move this around. So one thing when you're using a magic arm, you always want to make sure that you've got a grip of the heavy load on there, because as soon as I loosen this knob, everything just becomes loose. It's like a joint. Here's your elbow, this elbow disconnects, and then this one does as well. So I'm making sure I've got that. I loosen this off, and depends how loose you want to put it. I've released everything there, but I can position this, you know, anywhere, twisting. I can drop this on its side. I can, literally, it's magic. I can move it anywhere. That's why they call it that. So once I've found the position that I want, I just tighten that down, just like that. And there we go. It's really that easy. The nice thing about this, it's a full metal joint. It's a tooth joint as well. So it's not going to wear out over time like plastic can. You know, you find some magic arms and stuff on eBay or Amazon, and they just fall apart. They're not designed to carry a heavy load like this. You can put your heaviest strobe on here. It's going to handle it no problem at all. The only thing you want to make sure, you just got a stand that's heavy enough to carry it, because you do get a little bit of counterbalance weight if you're going to run the load out over top of the legs. So when you want to put this into the stand, there's two ways that you can do it. Most people are just going to grab this thing and just drop it, and you can see that it drops all the way down. That is fine, you can run it like that, but you are going to limit yourself to the tilt. So on here you'll see that there's a ridge. Basically what you want to do is only drop it down in the stand till that ridge is covered, then you tighten it down. And that little stem allows you, when we rotate this over here, it allows us to dump that down so we can tilt completely horizontal, even a little bit on the down angle there. So it just, if you don't do that and you've got it dropped all the way down, it's not going to hurt anything. It's still perfectly secure, but you can see that your tilt is only limited to that. So just be aware of that when you're mounting it into your stand. So the magic arm is a little bit of an investment just because of the construction in this. There's a lot of precision milling, the full metal, I mean, the spigots, everything in here. It's really designed to be used and to last a lifetime. So you might think it's a little bit expensive right now, but compared to others on the market, this thing is extremely affordable. It will compete with the top brands out there, and you're gonna thank yourself once you have that the very first time you use it, because it just gets you out of binds so easily if you've ever had that kind of tricky position that you need to get that light into. So check out the Magic Arm at Strobepro, and until next time, I'm Jesse.